Let's make some vegan chili. First, you're gonna start with adding some grapeseed oil to a pan, adding some diced purple onions, red bell peppers, green bell peppers, shallots, salt, onion powder, basil, oregano, thyme, cayenne, a little ground annato, and you're gonna let that saute a little bit until softened. You can use whatever meat substitute you would like, but I'm using some ground baby bella mushrooms. Now let that cook down a little, then add up some diced zucchini as well as some Roma tomatoes. Add a little water because we don't want our chili to be dry. And then let that cook until everything is softened. And my beans of choice today are chickpeas, and the chickpeas are already cooked, so I just let them warm up a little bit. And then, that's basically it. Really simple, really easy vegan chili. Hope you enjoy. Bye.